Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can access the resources and guides in Fliki.ai. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and go to Fliki.ai. Now log in to your account. You will see this interface over here. You can click on this question mark, which is help button, and you can see resources and guide. Click on resources and guide and it will take you to this page where you can read all of the articles provided by Fliki. You can see that there is an introduction, some editor, scenes, and all of these which you can read, and you can be a master of video editing in Fliki.ai. So let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and open Fliki.ai, log into your account. Click on this question mark which is on the top right hand corner of your screen and click resources and guide. It will lead you to this page over here where you can read all of these articles and it might help you. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.